Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name's Ann Epiphany, and I've been self-converting a 32-foot GMC Bluebird bus into a tiny home and a work studio. If you saw my last video, I was at the Daniel Boone National Forest. Well, I have since made it to Louisville, so everything went smoothly on the drive. It's just been, trying to figure out where I'm going to park and how I'm going to make money and all of that. So it's been a little stressful because in Louisville there's not really a whole lot of free parking. There's definitely no BLM land to park on for like a couple weeks at a time. So most of the places are like one night that you can stay in like a parking lot or something. So that's been, taking a little bit of a toll. But I want to thank you for joining me in this week's video, and this is going to sort of catch you up on some of the stuff that I've been working on recently. So I'll catch up with you later on. Enjoy the video. Just really quick, I wanted to get on here and show you something. Check this out. So they're a little offbeat, but I just guessed what the wires could be just first try. Didn't really even think about it much. I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just try one of them and it's gonna work. And sure enough, I guessed those 5 wires on the prongs, just totally guessed, turned it on, and it worked. So I just hooked up the other one and now I have windshield wipers. It's crazy. Oh, anyway, happy update. Hey everybody, yes, I love you. I can't pet you right now, okay? My hands are dirty. So I just figured I'd catch you guys up on what's going on. I had to move the bus today, and it hesitated a little bit. It flickered a little bit before I started it, but I had to move it, right? So it started the second time, so I was like, okay, cool. Well, when I get to Kroger, which is where I'm at right now. I'll just look around, check. I'm gonna go ahead and walk outside. Oh my god. You stay in here, okay? So I come outside and I look at the batteries first, and the batteries look fine. This is running low too. GoPro's almost out of battery. There wasn't anything wrong with the batteries. So then I came down and I noticed this, which looked like antifreeze coolant, you know, and that it's dripping. And so I was like, okay, well, that's not good, but I'm gonna have to check and see where that leaking's coming from. Anyway, mind you, I don't know a lot about diesel, so I don't know what is what necessarily in here, because this is wet too. So I was like, okay, that means something's like splashing in this area. It has to be in this area. And if you notice here, there's that paper towel. Right there, see how wet that paper towel is? So it's coming somewhere under here, and I'm not like 100% what this is. If you do, maybe let me know in the comments if I, you know, hopefully, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because there is zero power when I try to turn the ignition. So obviously when I saw that it had gotten on the wires, I went ahead and disconnected the batteries so as not to make anything worse, right? But yeah, I'm at Kroger, which as far as I know does not allow overnight parking, and it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do. You know, I came to Louisville to try to make some money so I could go ahead and get back on the road, and I wanted to get everything tuned up and everything on this, but I needed to make some money first, and it turns out there's a big issue before I even am able to make any money, really. There's not much battery power left on this, and I have no power in the bus right now, so, because solar's not done, obviously, as you've seen. So yeah, I'm stranded at the moment. I'll let you know if anything changes. So my my GoPro died, so I'm having to film on my phone right now. But so last night it was Rogue's just staring at me. Last night it got down in the 20s, and it was pretty chilly. And my I'm sorry, did you want to say hi? Want to say hello? Yeah. You say hello? Yeah. All right. So anyway, my little propane heater, my little buddy, was not working. So it was just a chilly night cuddling with all the animals on the bed. My friend Scott came by today and actually went and got me a propane heater. So thank you so much, Scott. Look. So I'm finally able to, I'm warming up my toes right now. So as far as the bus update, I'm busy right now, baby. As far as the bus update goes, I'm currently talking to a few people, trying to find somebody, some kind of diesel mechanic that will be able to come out to where I'm at and take a look at the bus. And I'm really hoping it's just the starter or something. There was an actual school bus driver that stopped by earlier, and he looked at what was going on, and he seems to think that it might possibly just be the starter, and it's just a fluke, I guess, that I happen to have a leak as well. So fingers crossed that it's just the starter, and then I can just get that leak fixed, hopefully easily. I don't know. But yeah, I'm waiting for some people to message me back right now, and I'll update you when I can hopefully have somebody take a look at this engine and see what's going on. But in the meantime, I'm going to warm up my toes. Alright. It's been a couple hours. I have an update. It's a small one. It's like 10:30 in the morning right now. I was able to get a hold of somebody that is a diesel mechanic and a welder. So he said that he's going to be able to come by today after he gets off work and everything. So I think he's going to be here like around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. He's pretty sure, just from what I've told him and the pictures I've sent him, that it is the starter and that the leak is a separate issue. So he seems pretty confident. So I was like, okay, my mind is eased a little bit, because I spent yesterday crying, if I'm going to be honest. I was freaking out a little bit. But, so now it's just a waiting game. Luckily, it's a warmer waiting game now because of the propane heater. So I've got that going, and it's keeping it a lot more tolerable. Maybe I can take one of these 5 layers off here pretty soon. But yeah, so my mind's eased, and now I'm just going to wait around until he gets here. I got a bit of time, so I'll catch up with you later when he gets here, and hopefully we can get this bus going tonight. That would be glorious. Good morning. I'm still recording on my phone because my GoPro is still not charged yet. I was like, I'm going to catch you guys up while I'm laying in bed. No, I'm not. What? Oh, yeah, no, I'm going to, I'm going to get up, get some, coffee, and let the girls out on their leads, and then I'll catch you guys up to what's going on. Rogue's already given me the business. She's like, get up out of bed, let me outside. But I was able to get out of the Kroger parking lot. The diesel mechanic came by.
In 600 feet, turn right.
His name's Jeremy. It was a power issue because the batteries, actually the vibration, made them come loose. So that's something I have to check. An easy fix enough to get me back on the road. And now we are going to get the water pump fixed. So I'm on my way to his house right now. Yeah, we're going to get the water pump going and then talk about doing more maintenance.
Turn right.
So, I'll catch up with you later. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you guys. A special thanks to my Patreon members. You guys are amazing. Please update me on any merch that you receive, because I want to make sure that's top quality, and if not, I am going to start just doing it myself and shipping it to you, so please let me know about that. If you'd like to join my Patreon or support me or follow me on any other social medias, my link tree is in the description. That has access to all of my social medias, including Patreon links and all of that jazz. But thanks so much for watching, and I'm going to catch up with you guys next week when I am finally actually working on the solar that you saw me get set up. So I'll see you then. Take care.